Welcome to this tutorial on how to analyze an Etoro watchlist. A watchlist is a personalized list of financial instruments that allows you to track and monitor their performance in real time. To begin analyzing your Etoro watchlist, first log into your Etoro account and navigate to the watchlist section. Start by reviewing the different columns of data provided for each instrument, including the current price, daily change, and overall gain or loss. This information will give you a general overview of how each instrument is performing. Next, focus on the daily change column to identify which instruments are experiencing the most significant price movements. This can help you pinpoint potential trading opportunities or areas of concern. You can also use the filters and sorting options to customize your watchlist and prioritize the instruments that are most relevant to your investment goals. To dive deeper into the analysis, click on a specific instrument to view its detailed profile. This will provide you with additional information such as charts, news, and analyst recommendations. Use this data to assess the instrument's historical performance, identify trends, and evaluate its potential for future growth. Another key aspect of analyzing your watchlist is to monitor the overall performance of your portfolio. Use the portfolio tracker to see how your investments are performing as a whole, and make adjustments as needed to ensure that your portfolio remains aligned with your investment objectives. Best practices for analyzing your Etoro watchlist include regularly reviewing and updating your list, diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk, and staying informed about market trends and news. By following these steps and staying disciplined in your analysis, you can use your Etoro watchlist to make more informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.